Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm driving around Osongama estate in Uyo, the Akwa Ibom state capital. You can see how clean this estate is. Not just clean, the roads are asphalted, and you can drive around here without even seeing potholes. You can even see the houses, very nice, very clean. Of course, Akwa Ibom is the cleanest state in Nigeria. So what do you expect their estate to be very clean? One other thing about this estate is that it's calm. No noise. It's very calm. It's very reserved. It's a place where I think if you need peace of mind, of course, everywhere in Akwa Ibom, peace of mind there, because it's one of the most peaceful states. Also, one of the most secured states we have in Nigeria. So, guys, drive through with me. Let's see what Osongoma Estate looks like in 2025. So apart from the beautiful houses and good roads, they also have what is it called again? They also have street lights, so that at night, if you are coming back maybe from work, from business, or wherever you went to, you'll be able to drive home. You'll be seeing the road. You'll be able to drive at night. So street lights are all over the estate. If you decide also to take a stroll in the evening in this very calm estate, and you want to just maybe you want to just stroll around maybe early in the night, maybe like 7 8, you'll be seeing everywhere, anytime you want to stroll around. I was asking the person who was taking me around this estate, why aren't there gates like some estates we have in the east? And he was telling me that here is a very secure place. It's a very nothing like you understand. So because I was expecting to see gates that are closed, or maybe they have gates too, but maybe the person that took me around didn't know that they have gates, because it's very rare to see estates like this that don't have gates for security purpose. And this estate bike they enter them too. So if you don't have a car, actually somebody people that are these bikers can also drop you, drive you, because some estates you don't see bikes. They'll tell you that bikes are not allowed, but in this estate you see how free it is. So bikes can also operate in this estate. So if you don't have a car, of course bikes can drop you, or you use a bicycle too. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. Please kindly watch this video down to the end and then tell me what you think in the comment section. Do you think there are other estates in Uyo that's more beautiful, more packaged than these? Please tell me in the comment section, as I would also like to go to such estate to also do what I like to do. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and notification bell above. Thanks.